Kaylin from Muskoka Girl, and today we are going to go and see ice caves and ice wells. Now let's get going. Okay guys, we're headed to the waterfall right now. We're at Bennett Creek. Silly mom. Perfect size walking stick. No, this one's much too tall. This one's perfect. No, too small. It's the Goldilocks of walking sticks. I just need to find the perfect one. Hey guys, we found this in the middle of nowhere. Can you believe it? Just kidding, this is from a festival that they do every year called Fire and Ice.
Okay, this is cool. There's like an ice island in the middle of this little trickling stream.
I'd like to see it better, but I'm buried.
Kaylin got, well.
There's a lot of room for my left leg though. Like I can move it around and kick. I'm kicking right now. You can kind of see it.
I can feel it.
What if I kick with both feet?
I could, yeah, and I could end up down there, and I really don't want to.
Okay, I'm getting cold. Can you help me out?
What do you say? Who's going to do all the chores around the house?
You.
I guess you're just stuck in that snow, little girl.
It's like some animal crawled out of the little river.
Oh, do you think it was a beaver?
No, too small. Must be some otter animal.
That was, wow.
I've been impaled. Huh, I've been impaled. Okay guys, this is a really fun game to play with two very bendy trees. Side, side, forwards,
Then she's up.
Muskoka is my playground. Shadow dancing, it's my thing.
This is Kaylin. She was walking and then she sunk up to her waist, and this is how she gets out. Yeah, really, I had to record that.
Hi everyone, we're sitting right outside of a waterfall and all we can smell is sulphur.
What's sulphur smell like?
Rotten eggs.
I can hear it. We're
Going,
getting closer.
Ooh, trees.
But we've had to come down this. And it's, the waterfall's over there somewhere.
Ready? Ready? Fun things to do with bobcat tail things.
Cat things.
Correction, they're called cattails, and they usually grow in ditches or bogs. You just break them off, take your hand and run it along this and let it just burst open and fluff.
Yeah, but if you have allergies, don't do that.
But it's really soft if you don't. To touch it without a glove, it's so soft.
Now, I think this should take us to an old...
House?
No.
Cabin?
Car?
Train? Railroad?
Dude.
Boxcar?
No, stop.
Potato.
Dam!
There's no need to swear.
It should take us to a dam.
Oh, a beaver's dam!
No, a man-made dam.
Huh. Just hanging out and taking a well-deserved break. Birch trees are beautiful, and this one has a really cool split going down. I circled it so you can see it better. Hey everyone, this is so cool. There's a thin layer of ice over the waterfall, and the waterfall's still running. If you notice the discoloration, it's from the minerals in the rock. So if you look over there, the snow that has the discoloration looks like a toasted marshmallow.
And there's still a smell of...
sulphur and rotten egg. Ew! It's even stronger now that we're closer.
You can't quite tell the height of that, but I would say that's probably...
It's ginormous!
If you were down there at the bottom and you were looking up, it's at least 100 feet. If you're at the very bottom because we're probably 20 feet high where we're sitting or more. It's hard to tell with all the snow. And then it goes way up. Oh, and there's Kaylin up a tree again.
Hello! Taking airplanes or giving a thumbs up? Comment down below.
Oh my.
Airplane!
And we are down at the bottom of the waterfall again after quite the hike down. We really have to get snowshoes.
You can't tell, but the camera person is shaking their head.
Yeah, they can hear the rattle. By the way, don't walk under a pine tree with Kaylin around because she'll pull a branch and you'll get thunked on the head.
She did it to me 3 times!
It hasn't rained in a while, so would this be a snowbell? Comment down below. We'll be back after this short message. Do you have a dog that doesn't see very well and runs into stuff? Well, now we have a solution. Just get them glasses, and your problem will disappear. Yay! My dog can see now. Warning, do not put real glasses on your dog.
Okay guys, next stop, ice wall.
Look at all that ice. There's so much.
One of the highest walls of ice in Muskoka. A really cool tourist point, but it's a little dangerous going by here in the spring.
We'll be back after this short message, so see you then. Do you fall a lot? Well, we have a solution. Just don't fall. Crawl. Enjoy it. Now, when you crawl, you don't have to worry about tripping or fainting. So just don't fall. Call us and pay $300. Expect nothing in return. No refunds. And it's good doing business with you. This is not an actual commercial. Do not call us and don't pay $300. We'll see you next time on Weird Commercials. Okay, guys, we're headed to the ice caves now. We'll see you there.
Kind of good.
They have snowshoes. We do not. That's the easy way. We took the hard way. This is the hard way, if you didn't already know.
Mommy, what's up? I think home. What do you need help with?
You have to want to get up, honey.
Man down! Would you rather walk this in the winter, swim it in the summer, or kayak or canoe it?
Walk in the winter.
Hey Millie, are you enjoying this? I'll take that as a no.
I wonder if she changed her mind. What do you think? Comment down below.
Okay guys, we walked 5 miles and all I found was this. We do it, Julie.
It was an adventure.
Yay, I love the
Adventuring.
penguin. Hey Julie, be honest, was this worth it?
It was a good adventure.
Someone has died in here before. Literally died. Morbid Millie. I'm surprised a critter hasn't made a nest in here.
I'm not. It's really, really cold. But I was thinking about, oh, I'm just going to die in here if I sit in here.
Yes, this is where critters go to die. Morbid Millie.
And died.
Okay guys, this is really cool.
Yeah, definitely die.
My dog is shivering now.
Yeah, don't do that.
Party! Yeah! Let's party. Let's party. Okay guys, it's Kaylin signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And remember, live, love, and explore. Now, I think there's a tree out there with my name on it. See you next time.
Check out Muskoka Girl Instagram. I promise you'll definitely be entertained.